Here's what I wish someone told me when I started my lash career. If you think putting up a 20% off discount is going to magically bring in new clients, you are sorely mistaken. Welcome back to my series, 30 Clients in 30 Days, where I teach you how to gain a new client every single day. Imagine offering a free gift or bundling your services for the first 5 clients you book in the next 72 hours. These type of promotions drive urgency and scarcity without devaluing your services. These aren't buzzwords, they are psychological triggers that drive action. And in our world, that means faster bookings and excited clients. Here's why it works. A limited quantity plus a time constraint equals an opportunity that clients do not want to miss out on. The amount of money that you are willing to take off your price is actually more than the cost of offering something free to add on to your existing service price. Your clients won't just simply want your services. They'll feel like they need to act now in order to benefit from your promotion. These type of promotions don't devalue your work. They actually make them more desirable. When you offer a free gift or bundle your services, you get clients hooked on more of what you offer, so that when they come back for maintenance appointments, they're booking multiple services or replenishing the products, increasing their average bill total. The best part is this creates a buzz. Not only do you get new bookings, you also get clients talking about your business and promotions, bringing in more people like them, acting as brand advocates to your business. If you need further assistance creating your own limited time promotions, DM me promo to my Instagram linked in the description box below, and I'll send you my promotions that I use to get fully booked. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the remaining tips in our series.